Hi guys, I'm Jori. I'm one of the nurse practitioners here at Whole Child Family Medicine. I wanted to talk a little today about anxiety. With COVID-19 and everybody being quarantined, we have an influx of people that are just having a lot of stress and anxiety and need to know what they can do naturally to manage this. I've picked a couple of products that are all safe and effective on helping mild to moderate anxiety. The first thing I want to talk about is L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid. This directly increases GABA in your brain, which then increases serotonin and dopamine, which are 2 to 3 happy chemicals. You can take 50 to 200 once to twice a day safely with no side effects, and this will help reduce anxiety and increase an overall feeling of wellness. Speaking of GABA, which this increases, you can supplement that directly. GABA is also an amino acid and is found in our bodies already, as well as many of the foods that we eat. Supplementing it directly can be the most effective way to increase this neurotransmitter in your brain. What this does is it decreases the excitability of some of the neurons in your brain, thus decreasing anxiety. You can take also 200 milligrams twice a day to help with that. All of these doses, by the way, are based on adult doses. There can be very safe children dose as well, but please talk to us specifically because it depends on the age and the weight of the child. The next product I want to talk about is 5-HTP. This is a direct precursor to serotonin, again, one of the happy chemicals in our brain, as well as tryptophan, which is the sleepy chemical in turkey. So this is very useful for when we're not sleeping really well and we're waking up feeling very stressed and de-stressed, where this taken 100 to 200 milligrams at night, you wake up feeling better rested, and it's a better bright blue day. This also works very, very well with melatonin because this does increase your natural melatonin in your brain. Lavella. For centuries, we've been using lavender oil to help decrease anxiety and stress. In aromatherapy, in our products, this is an actual clinical grade ingestible lavender oil pill. In over 15 clinical double-blinded studies, this is shown to be very effective in decreasing anxiety from mild to moderate anxiety without any of the side effects that we see with the pharmaceuticals. You would take 1 capsule once to twice a day, and you have effects in up to 2 weeks. This is best taken every day to get a built-up effect, but I do have some patients that do find that if they take an extra one, if they take 1 every day, but take that second one when they really need it, that's also effective. Now, speaking of aromatherapy, although this is ingestible, this is an actual aromatherapy don't freak out blend. So it's specifically made for stress and anxiety. And it's a rollerball application. I love this for kids especially because it gives them a sense of control and power over their anxiety. They can keep it in their pocket, they feel a little stressed out, they take it out, put it on, and then they can start feeling better. And it smells really good. Now, all of the products that I just talked about have no side effects. They don't interact with other medications, other supplements. They don't cause sedation. They don't cause foggy thinking or anything like that. The next product and last product that I want to talk about does. Sometimes for some of us during stress, when our anxiety is high, we cannot sleep. We go into an almost panic mode. That's where I would then go to kava. Kava is a root, it is an herb, the tincture of which is really good for when we need to calm it down. Dr. Natalie has called it the nature's Xanax. So this does produce a sleepy, muscle relaxing type of effect, lasts about 4 to 6 hours. There are kava capsules, but the tincture tends to be the strongest and most quick to act. I will say the tincture does not taste good. Not even going to pretend that it does. A little pineapple juice or apple juice mixed with it, and it goes down pretty easily. But this is only to be used when you know that you are going to be sleepy and that you don't have to drive, you don't have to take care of high energy or small children, or you don't have to be at work. This is great for on airplanes when we finally get to travel, or this is great before bed when we're having a hard time sleeping. So, I did focus on just a few products that we have for specifically anxiety. There's a lot of other reasons and a lot of other things that we can do to help with anxiety that we'll go through in other videos. But as always, if you're having an issue, please come see us. We are open. I see adults, and I do handle mental health, so come see us. We'll take care of you. I hope you guys are all doing well, and we'll see you next time.